All right, let's talk about how you can divide numbers in Excel. So here we just have some data that we want to divide. We want to take 20 divided by 2, so on and so forth. Now you can divide numbers in Excel pretty simply. What you need to do is select the adjacent blank cell or wherever you want to put the answer or the divided number into. Type equals, select the first number, and then you're going to hit slash, which is the division symbol in Excel. That just symbolizes divided by. So 20, or cell B2 where 20 is located, divided by 2, or cell C2 where 2 is located. We'll go ahead and hit enter, and we'll get 10, which is obviously 20 divided by 2. Now, instead of having to manually type that in for each one of these values, what we can do in Excel is select that formula or the cell where we have the formula entered, and we can click this little triangle in the bottom right corner until you see this black plus sign. Click that, and you can drag down as far as you want for that formula to apply to. And you'll notice that that will copy all the way down. Now, obviously we're seeing a ton of decimal points right here. So if we want to remove some of those decimal points, we just need to select those cells, go up to the home ribbon, and under numbers, we just select decrease the decimal here. So we can remove some of those decimal points. And there you have it. That's how you can divide in Excel pretty quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you. And have such a great rest of your day.